In this video, we are going to look at two tools that are commonly used in scientific and forensic photography, but which nevertheless I think could be useful for all photographers. So the count tool can be used to number things in an image. So for example, if I change the color to some bright red like this, and then I'm also going to change the size to 10 and 30 like this, then I can place numbers next to these figureheads like this and like that. And then what I can do is, if I take the note tool, I can create a note and say, okay, number one is Nani, number two is Omar, number three is Garibaldi, etc. And then when I save the file, these notes will be saved inside of it, and then I can share the file with the client, a lab, or a retoucher.